The new Gødstrup Hospital will be created in a highly strategic location for the Midtjylland region. The project will form the focus for a whole new community. Inspired by Viking ring forts, embankments originally conceived as a protection from enemies, now reimagined as shelter from the often severe westerly weather and transport noise from the railway and motorway to the north and west. To the south and east, the embankment opens up, letting in sunlight and access for people from the new town nearby. The Diagnostic and Treatment building develops along this form, providing a double layer of protection to the specialist clusters in the heart of the project. Surrounding the site, a loop road allows quick access to every entrance, regardless of the position of the main entry road. The central axis, linking the station to the new town, gives easy pedestrian and cycle access to each specialist cluster. This sheltered space allows the development of a great landscape park, including a lake which collects rainwater from the hospital. At the east of the site, the psychiatry building finds its natural place overlooking the open parkland. Developed on 2 levels, the Diagnostic and Treatment building is designed to blend into the landscape, while the specialist clusters housing patient beds will rise up to 8 levels in order to maximize natural sunlight and views. Bed areas link all the specialist clusters for optimum flexibility. The location of the logistic buildings and the emergency services simplifies separation of flows. The building organization allows each cluster to function independently. Patient flows are optimized and separated from public flows. To be constructed in 2 homogeneous phases, the design also has the flexibility to allow expansion for every type of clinical service. A coherent design approach will integrate the buildings into their setting. The central park provides pleasant individual access to each cluster as well as a landscape link between the station and the new town. A large indoor street, open to the public and hosting cafes and activities, links the clusters and gives covered access to each service. The cluster's height offers users a unique view over the landscape. Gødstrup Lake being visible from the 3rd floor. The 2 higher clusters benefiting from optimum sunlight exposure house rooftop winter gardens. The Diagnostic and Treatment building, with its many landscape courtyards, presents soft, undulating forms to the user's view. An opening in the embankment provides access to the hospital from the west and the motorway. The emergency and logistics access roads are kept separate from the public and patient flows. On the other side of the lake, the low-rise psychiatry building blends into the landscape. Composed of a group of small volumes, it allows patients a choice to stroll in attractive, secure gardens. Nearby, the burial mound is preserved. While highly visible from the motorway and instantly recognizable with its slender towers and elevated winter gardens, the new Gødstrup Hospital is composed of clearly organized and identifiable units. With its sheltered microclimate, it offers a tranquil and welcoming image, respecting the landscape and historical riches of an exceptional site and constituting the heart of a new community.